And now to Osun State, where Governor Gboyega Oyetola has inaugurated a 160-bed isolation center in Osogbo to effectively manage the coronavirus pandemic and curtail its spread in the state. This brings to 342 the total number of bed spaces in all the 3 isolation centers across the state. TVC News correspondent Rafiu Hamid completes.
Osun State has recorded 42 cases of the coronavirus pandemic with 4 deaths. However, in the last 1 week, the state has not recorded new case. But government is being proactive. This brings about this new isolation center, equipped by one of the leading banks in Nigeria.
If there is no conducive atmosphere, private sector cannot thrive. That's why the committee the private sector has thought it fit to ensure that we give medical equipment to every state in the country.
A former Minister of Health, Professor Isaac Adewale, said the development is a practical demonstration of government's commitment towards fighting the pandemic.
But I must commend the effort of your government and the state task force for keeping the figure low. We are aware of the explosion in many of our states being led by Lagos. It's like we are playing a league game, but we've been able to keep the figure low.
The tenacity and commitment of state executive towards this pandemic has been unparalleled. It could be further said that most decisions and precautions, measures other states and federal government are adopting recently are suggestions that Mr. Governor has been propagating since the outbreak of the pandemic.
Governor Gboyega Oyetola believes the fight against the pandemic should be total.
Our administration had swiftly adopted creative and proactive methods to manage the coronavirus pandemic since its birth in Nigeria. We have dedicated funds, human resources, and indeed focused resolve to beat this virus. With corporate citizens like Kakofit on our side, we are confident as a government that we win this virulent war.
The governor later cut the tape and inspects the facility. After inspecting the facility, the governor and the former Minister of Health, Professor Isaac Adewale, urged residents of the state to continue to prevent the spread of the virus, particularly through social distancing, since no cure has been found for the virus. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.